This is the moment, this is the day, when I send all my doubts and demons on the way. Every endeavor I have made ever is coming into play, is here and now, today.
Hi Bro June, long time no see. Talagang ang bilis ng panahon. Parang kailan lang 30 years old ka, ngayon 60 mo na. Biro lang, mukhang 40 ka pa lang naman siguro. Well anyway, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day, and ang wish ko sa'yo, sana kagawa ka pa ng kamukha mo. May pag-asa pa. So maligayang karawan sa'yo. And God bless.
Idol, happy birthday. Isang taon na naman. And bumata ka na naman ng isang taon. Sana sa araw na ito, marami pang blessings ang darating. Kasiyahan. And sana marami ka ring malasing ngayon. Sana nandiyan rin ako para sabay-sabay tayong malasing. And stay as good person as you are. Panatilihin nating healthy yung katawan para marami pang birthday ang pagdiwang. Idol, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ito,
Mama Chup Chup.
namamay kukuk.
Love you, Lipad.
Hello, way back. Ah,
Happy birthday, Lipad.
way back.
Happy birthday.
Way back.
Ligayang kaarawan, Bro Lipad. I wish you all the best in life. Sana may masaya ka lalo ni Bipip ko. Mamuhay kayo ng payapa. Mamuhay kayo ng masagana. I-bless sana kayo lagi ni Lord. Namimiss ko na kayo, guys. Ingat kayo lagi. Pakasaya kayo hanggat gusto nyo. From your friend here in Natividad, Pangasinan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lipad. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Hi Kuya Lipad, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Sana matupad ang pangarap mo sa buhay. At happy birthday ulit. And God bless. This is the moment, the sweetest moment of them all. This is the moment down the odds. This day and never, I sit forever with the gods. When I look back, I will always recall moment for moment. This was the moment, the greatest moment. Ayan, thank you very much for watching.